Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. Today, we're diving into ZenGo, a cryptocurrency wallet available at ZenGo.com. This platform offers a unique approach to crypto storage, differentiating itself from other wallets in several key ways. One of the standout features is its keyless security system, eliminating the need for users to manage complex private keys. This simplifies the process considerably, making it more accessible to newcomers while also reducing the risk of key loss or theft. ZenGo utilizes threshold cryptography, a sophisticated method that distributes key shares across multiple devices, enhancing security without compromising user-friendliness. Furthermore, ZenGo supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, allowing users to manage a diverse portfolio within a single app. This multi-asset support streamlines the management process, eliminating the need for multiple wallets and simplifying tracking. The user interface is designed with clarity and ease of use in mind, making navigation intuitive even for those unfamiliar with cryptocurrency wallets. Transaction history is readily available and easy to understand, further enhancing the user experience. ZenGo also prioritizes security, implementing various measures to protect user funds. Beyond the keyless system, they employ robust encryption protocols and offer two-factor authentication for added account security. For users seeking a simplified yet secure way to manage their crypto assets, ZenGo presents a compelling option. Its keyless architecture, combined with a user-friendly interface and support for multiple cryptocurrencies, positions it as a strong contender in the increasingly crowded crypto wallet landscape. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more information and to explore ZenGo for yourself. I encourage you to do your own research and determine if ZenGo is the right fit for your specific needs and investment strategy.